Hi everyone, if you're a business owner, manager, IT director, this video is for you. By the way, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Femi Dada, President and CEO of Smart Design Technology and the author of Easy Pray, Amazon bestseller. What I'm about to share with you today are your daily risks of not properly protecting and securing, monitoring your Office 365 system. That includes your email, OneDrive, SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams, or other data that is stored in the cloud. During the routine maintenance and reviewing my account as a key personnel for my company, I found the following. One, my account gets massive login attempts, and my account is no different from yours or any other key personnel in your business. What I have on the screen here today are my logins from today. But as you can see, as I scroll down, you can see all other successful login that has happened up and from today. And again, you can see all these unsuccessful logins that has happened. And these logins are coming from countries that some of them, I don't even know the cities. For example, Berlin, Germany, of course I know that city, St. Petersburg, Russia, Uttar Pradesh in India, Kanatara in India, Addis Ababa in Ethiopia, Shanxi in China, Gudan province in China, Berlin in China, and also Texas, USA. As you can see on the screen right here, these are different cities that, as I was mentioning, Jakarta, Indonesia, and of course, as I mentioned, even from Texas, USA. Number two, all these attempts are happening on a daily basis, constantly. And this is because hackers, they are not doing this manually. They are using machine and hacking tools. And that's how they are able to do all of this information. And again, if you are like me, your email is on various registry. If you're doing government or work with the government, your email is in various proposals, and all this information can be gathered from the web. So if you don't have implementation of strong security practice in your current Office 365 tenant, your emails and your system is at risk. So number three, the good news here is that none of these attempts were successful because we have implemented two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA or multi-factor authentication, MFA. The other thing we have implemented is modern authentication enabled. This allows the system to really use AI and algorithm to determine what authentications are legitimate and which ones are fake. And thirdly, we implemented the modern security challenge. This is another security feature of Office 365 that really makes sure that your system cannot be hacked by these hackers. Now, as a business owner, manager, or IT director, you owe it to your business to keep your organization safe, at least by implementing these controls that are easily available to you. If your company does work with the government, you are required to comply with CMMC. If you are in the healthcare or financial industry, you are required to meet various compliances. So do not put your business at risk. Lower your risk by implementing these controls. And if you don't know how to do that, hire my company, Smart Design Technologies. Or any other IT solution provider for that matter that has a focus on security and understand your industry to help you. If you hire us, we will implement our customized, tailored 27 security best practice and controls. That is an equivalent of CMMC 2.0 level 1 controls for your IT systems in 60 days based on your environment. Our team includes CISO, CISM, and CISSP trained professionals. So get started today by completing the form below. And if you are one of the first 50 people to complete this, we'll give you a 12-month cybersecurity monitoring of your tenant for free. So if you are looking to secure your environment today and you want us to help you do this, get started today by filling the form below so that we can complete this process for you. Thank you, and make it a great